In problem number 18, we're trying to figure out a couple things here. We're trying to come up with an equation, y, and y is the percent of 12th grade students who smoke cigarettes daily. And then we're supposed to come up with some function of x being the number of years after 2007. So really trying to figure out what's going on here. Well, let's try to dissect what information have we been given. We were given that in 2007, let's look back here, in 2007, 20.6% of 12th grade students used cigarettes daily. So if x represents the number of years after 2007, then in 2007, x would be 0. So I'm going to make a little XY chart, see if I can make it look a little easier. And in 2007, 20.6%, like I said, 20.6 would be the output when the input is 0. 2007, 20.6. In 2016, which is 9 years later, the percent of senior smokers dropped down to 11.2. So now we just have to understand that all we have here is we have 2 points. We have 0, 20.6, and we have 9, 11.2. Let me show you this. 9, 11.2. So we're really trying to find the equation of the line through these 2 points. That's all we're trying to find. And in fact, we got fortunate here that this is our y-intercept. Y-intercept. So if 20.6 is our y-intercept, again, drawing a picture to help you understand and visualize what's going on, if we put 20.6 there, the y would be the percent of senior smokers, and then the x would be the number of years past 2007. And if x is equal to 9, we know that, again, 11.2 would be the percent of senior smokers in that year, 2016. So if we connect these dots, really all we're trying to do here, guys, is trying to find the equation of that line. Okay, well, we know that the equation of a line would be y equals mx plus b. Well, all we have to do is find the m, because we already have the b. The b is the y-intercept. Well, how do we find the m? Well, we take the difference in the y-coordinates, and difference in the y-coordinates, we go down how far? Well, we're going to go down 9.4. So negative 9.4 is our change in y, and then we go over to the right. So anyway, we're going down to get from one point to another. If we go down, the rate of change is negative. When we go to the right, we're going over 9 units, and so the slope is just, that's the change in x. The slope is just down 9.4 and to the right 9. So once we do that, we've got our, let's go ahead and simplify that. Negative 9.4 over 9 is about negative 1.04. So if you type that into your calculator, you can get that. So we have all we need. We have our slope, we have our y-intercept, so we just have to go ahead and put our slope into our equation, negative 1.04, plus our y-intercept, 20.6, and we actually have the first part of our answer, because that's what we're asked to find, the equation. Now we're supposed to use our equation to predict the percent for the year 2021. Well, 2021 minus 2007 is 14. So we really want to find y when x is equal to 14. So y at 14 is equal to negative 1.04 times 14 plus 20.6. And this is just going to give us a prediction. If all things remain linear, then we should see, after plugging that in, that's about 6.04. So therefore about 6.04% of seniors will be smoking in the year 2021 if we use this model.